called Mefano Hair Enemy Bubble Hair Removal. So this is how the packaging looks like. So this one contains 98 ml and it says Clean Seal Sleep, Moist and Gentle. So ayan guys. At the back you will see the efficacy, ingredients, usage, and some tips. So both sides, same lang naman yung nakalagay. Mefano Hair Enemy Bubble. Okay, so basahin natin yung claims niya. Hair retardant molecule reach deep into hair follicles, blocking the required nutrients to keep hair growth slow. Mild formula can relieve skin irritation, shrinks pores. So nakalagay din dito, enduringly smooth, inhibit growth, gentle epilation, repairing, and moisturize. So may nakalagay din dito ang direction, so babasahin ko lang. Spray the product on the area to be removed. Stay for 8 to 10 minutes. Test a small piece of skin. If the body hair is easily detached, it means that the product has worked. Gently wipe the paste together with the hair. If not easily detached, then stay for a few more minutes, no more than 15 minutes. Wash the residue immediately with clean water, not soap. So it also says that this product is for all skin types. So ayan, buksan na natin guys. So, ito siya. So, ito yung pinaka-packaging niya. Metal siya. So, kung ano yung nakalagay dito sa box, yun din yung mga nakalagay dito sa kanyang pinaka-packaging. Ayan. Same lang. Okay, so, buksan natin. Ayan. So, pump siya. Not sure kung air pump siya, pero, ayan, ganyan yung itsura niya. Okay, so itry na natin siya guys, and pasintabi lang po sa mga kumakain kasi medyo hindi ka nais-nais po yung makikita nyo. Kasi pinahaba ko talaga yung buho ko sa kilikili para matry natin to kung talagang effective. So, ayan. And medyo maitim na yung kilikili ko, so sorry. So guys, ayan yung kilikili ko and sinadya ko siyang pahabain para matry natin kung effective tong product na to. Medyo mahirap tong pwesto ko, pero ayun, i-try na natin. Hindi ko lang sure kung okay na to, kung may bubuksan pa sa loob. Pero ayun, try na natin. Uy. So ayan, bago talaga siya. So ayan, sabi dito, ibabad lang siya for 8 to 10 minutes. So, ayan. So, lagyan ko na rin po yung mga... So, itatry ko rin siya sa legs ko and then babalikan ko kayo mamaya for my final thought. So, ngayon itry naman natin siya sa aking legs. So, ayan, sobrang haba na rin ng hair ko sa legs. So, ayan. Okay, so now I'll give you my thought about this product and let's start with the packaging. Actually, nagustuhan ko itong packaging niya guys kasi very convenient siyang dalhin kapag nag-travel. And gusto ko rin yung color niya, pink, white, and nude. So ayan, gusto ko rin kasi pump siya. Okay, so as you guys can see, effective naman talaga siyang pang-alis ng hair. And ang dali niyang gamitin, alam mo yun, kapag nagmamadali ka. Kasi sa wax, medyo messy siya. Kasi kailangan mo pa siyang i-mix-mix bago mo siya ilagay sa kilikili mo. Tapos medyo masakit pa yung pag-pull mo dun sa wax. So, ito, okay siya kasi kailangan mo lang siyang ibabad for at least 8 to 10 minutes. And then, you're good to go. Ang hindi ko lang talaga nagustuhan dito is yung amoy niya. Para siyang chemical na, alam niyo yun, sa mga salon, kapag nagpapakulot ka or nagpapareband ka. Ayun, ganun yung amoy niya and hindi ko siya nagustuhan kasi parang medyo natakot ako dun sa amoy niya. So, ayun lang naman. Other than that, wala naman akong na-feel na itchiness or hapte sa kilikili ko and sa legs ko. So, for me, okay naman siya. Ang ayoko lang talaga is yung amoy. So, yeah, that is it for today's skincare review. And guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video. Bye guys, and I'll see you in my next video.